Hi, this is James Page for SAT TV here at Satellite 2025. Come over to the ETL Systems stand to have a conversation with their CEO, Kevin Dunne. Kevin, thank you for inviting us on. It's always great to see ETL at this event. How are things going? How's the show been for you so far?
Yeah. Oh, thanks for coming onto the stand. It's been a great show so far. Very busy. We've had some quite exciting news to talk about. We've had a busy year in the business, and yeah, it's great to be here to share some time with some industry colleagues and find out about what's going on in the latest trends.
Yeah, it feels like it's a really busy show with lots going on. I mean, from your side, ETL Systems has been going through a real time of transformative growth, which maybe you hinted at a little bit. Maybe tell us a bit more about that.
Yeah, I mean, we're looking to grow. We've been very successful in our RF business underlying for the ground station segment. Really, it's a great opportunity to talk about some of the new acquisitions that we've done. We've added to the portfolio. So in the last 6 months, we've added IRT technologies on solid state amplifiers and also spacepath communications on TWT amplifiers. So we've been really focused on looking at the true end-to-end from the antenna through to the modem and being able to provide all of the constituent parts to the ground system architecture. And they were the missing pieces of the puzzle. And Spacepath have got a great heritage in HPAs in the TWT environment for the last 10, 15 years, and the same with IRT on solid state. So great compliments to the ETL business, and we're excited to welcome the teams from those businesses into the ETL Systems portfolio. So it's a period of bringing that together and really seeing where we can take the business.
It feels like maybe that's a theme across the entire sector at the moment, that sense of collaboration or of cooperation, of bringing those things together. And you're seeing that working across the piece?
I think so. I mean, it's tough. If you're not growing, then you're moving backwards. So I think the industry is seeing consolidation at all levels throughout, and obviously some of the big operators. There's been a shift in the market, obviously, as a result of some of the Starlink introduction, and the last few years have been very interesting in terms of how some of the operators have been navigating that, and that's sort of filtering down through the sort of ecosystem in Satcom. And I think we found that in order to takes a long time to develop equipment and develop systems. So really looking at how you can leverage partnerships with other parties, how we can collaborate with others in the industry, and obviously through M&A, where we've seen the opportunity to grow the business portfolio and consolidate ourselves in the marketplace that we're operating.
And I think in how you were talking about those acquisitions and the way your partnerships work, and part of the rationale for any of that could be bringing new technology in or finding those technology synergies. There's still quite a lot of innovative technology going on. What are you seeing happening in terms of where the tech is going, and how are you responding to it?
Yeah, I think for us, we've spent a lot of time in the last 30 years developing a comprehensive RF suite of systems. So, as I say, from an end-to-end point of view, we offer pretty much every aspect of the RF chain, from the antenna to the modem. What we're seeing is the virtualization and digitization of the ground segment is driving a lot of that shift in technology, and the flexibility of operations across multi-constellation, multi-band, and multi-service. It's really how do you bring all of that together, and once you move that into the digital domain, that becomes a much more straightforward exercise. It's not simple, but we've spent the last 5 or 6 years continually developing our digital capabilities, and we've released previously our Genus Digital 5000 product. We're iterating a number of spin-off developments from that to satisfy the demand for digital technology and how that fits into the ground segment.
Okay, fantastic. Well, look, it's a pleasure to hear from you and to hear ETL Systems is thriving and growing. So that's always good to hear. And we're hoping you're having a fantastic show, and appreciate you taking a little bit of time to talk to SAT TV. Thank you.
Well, It's great. Thank you very much.